iiie, a house. iiie, no. iiie, a good house. Please notice that how many e we should pronounce. iiie, 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 iie, iiie, iiie. おー、こちらが相馬さんの新しい家ですか。なかなかいい家ですな。いいえ。You know, Japanese people are very modest, so this is the very typical reaction, typical reply when we are praised. いいえ. In this case, いいえ doesn't mean rejection. It's like kind of, don't mention it, I know it's a good house, kind of.
Japanese people often say things like, いいえ、そんなことありません. No, I'm not that good after being praised. It's a cultural habit to be humble and not appear too proud. When you hear a Japanese person say, いいえ after being complimented, you can take it as simply meaning thank you.
And please be careful in the following case. This house is this house good? Oh, hi! いいです。So please be careful how many vowels you should pronounce. いえ、いいえ、いいえ、いえ、いいえ、いいえ。Good luck with your studies. 頑張ってください。